Not all fabrics are made the same.
Some stretch, some don't, some aren't even woven.
Let's break it down in simple terms. First, weaving. Threads cross over and under each other, creating strong and durable fabric. Used in shirts, jeans, and formal wear.
Next, knitting.
Made by looping yarn together. This makes it soft and stretchable. Perfect for t-shirts and sportswear. Finally, non-woven fabrics. No weaving or knitting involved.
Fibers are bonded using heat or chemicals.
Used in masks, wipes, and medical products. Weaving is strong. Knitting is flexible. Non-woven is lightweight and cost-effective. Each fabric has its own purpose. Choosing the right one depends on your needs. Weaving, knitting, non-woven.
Subscribe for more textile knowledge.